I am Tapasvi. Today we, the DMF, are here to present a smart road safety system. Our project is designed to prevent landslide-prone accidents. Our component consists of two main projects. First is the Jiffy and next is the landslide. I call upon Devanshu.
What is the problem? Everyone must have heard of the Wayanad landslide incident that happened in 2000. It happened in 2024 July. So the landslide alone lasted for 3 days and caused about 420 deaths, around 400 injuries, and this landslide. Research shows that most of the landslides that happen in India happen due to rainfall. How does rainfall work? So when rain falls, it dampens the soil between each heavy rock, and this sudden loss of support causes the rocks to fall onto the nearby land. So you can see these are the issues. Upon being loose, they may fall onto nearby roads, residential areas, and these can cause anything from property damage to death.
As a solution to this problem, we designed an automatic barrier system which raises when it detects not really safe conditions like during heavy rainfall and whenever the rocks from falling onto the lower residential areas, and when the barrier raises, it prevents the rocks from falling onto the nearby roads and prevents from crushing the vehicles and society to explain the GPC.
Due to the poor condition of majority of the roads in India, road accidents are extremely common and can be caused by a multitude of reasons. The reason that road accidents are so fatal is because they don't receive enough medical help in time. Here, imagine there is a family going on a car on this road. For example, they hit into a tree or a pole. If they don't receive immediate medical attention, they will die. This is where our solution comes in. I call upon Ishita.
So you could see this car. This is a small one, but in a large size. There are two sensor boxes which we will attach into the front of the car and back of the car in the real model. So what's the use of the Jiffy Saver? So, critical condition, we could just say that there is a truck in front of it and there is a big car in back of it. So both of them can crash together and the family could cause into danger. And there are many accidents and many movies in this situation. So where the Jiffy works? So when the truck or a car comes and just crashes it, the message will be detected and sent it to the nearby doctors or the nearby vehicles and the clinics nearby. It could be in anywhere, but the UL can get help in any position or any location. So this, why only for these cars, like all the 4 vehicles like lorries, and every 4 vehicle could have it. So why I'm just explaining is, if a vehicle comes like this and crashes it, this could even sense it and even back. We can even include many sensors for this type of project. For example, like cars, but like so low-handed cars. They cannot buy more effective cars like for this much sensors. These boxes could be attached even to the low-cost cars, and you don't need to buy a new car for that. So that's why I just thought an idea to keep those sensors there. Next I'll just first Srinidhi to explain the components.
The rain sensor. The rain sensor, it will help the metal traces on it will help to sense the rain, and the servo motor, it will send a message to the servo motor and the gate closes so the landslide will be easy. Now to the impact detector. The car has an impact detector, so it can send a message to the nearby hospitals or clinics. Now I call upon Charity.
And this is the Jiffy Saver. So here
because of landslides, there are multiple car accidents and it's very dangerous. So we have this app over here and we have a Jiffy sensor here. So just in case, I'll show you this car. Whenever it detects any sort of about the impact, and it shows how heavy the impact also is. And whenever there is a heavy impact, this sensor will send Bluetooth wave to nearby hospitals, because sometimes the person or the driver may not be in a state to maybe call for help, and then help would be late and then it might be fatal for them. So this thing sends messages to this and then it alerts the nearby hospitals. Take this pole and then the sensors detected it and send a message. So for this project also we have limitations because this is just a simple model, but we will also use futuristic components in real life later on. Accuracy, so sometimes the sensor might not detect the rainfall properly in case of heavy landslides, and even if it's like small rain, it may vary, so we might have to need a better sensor which can only detect like heavy rainfall, or else this barrier would be closed even if there's no problem. Maintenance, so
Show that model properly.
here we could make it more futuristic, like in real life we could add more features, like we could also add motion, because rainfall is the main cause, but there's a lot of other causes also. So we could add like motion detection if there's any landslide or shaking, and for the Jiffy also we could add more features. Like I said, this is over here, we could make it in the front, in the back. And river, like there's also problems from landslides because of the river areas also.
On the road, you still go. These are red. On over here, it senses rain and moisture. Next, the servo motor, which we use to be here for the opening and closing of the mechanism. And then next, we use impact detector center for the car to detect impact. Basically, if the water is stagnant, it stays heavy. And it opens. So this is the motor. First, it basically prevents the landslide from making the roads hazardous for the vehicles, preventing accidents. Maybe. And it needs a reliable power source, so we can probably improvise on that mainly. Because like, when it rains, it's like the power source might get damaged, and also we can like work on it more. That's like the main problem.
Passing through this road in a very hilly area. So there is a sudden heavy rainfall, which causes the soil on the land, the hill, to loosen and slide down. So in this situation, when the car passes by, what if all the debris and the rocks fall on the car and the lives of the people in the car, they die or they lose their life. So to prevent these types of situations, we built a barrier which will close in on the landslide whenever it detects motion or moisture, and this prevents the risk of losing lives, and we can also prevent traffics too. Like if the vehicles want to pass on the road, the debris, it will block the vehicles, and the transport, it will slow down, right? So to stop that, this barrier can help us in many ways. Whenever, so for example, this car passes through the landslide, but because of the rain, the driver can't see properly and crashes into a tree or a pole or something. So in that situation, the driver can't call the authorities by himself. So this motion sensor, impact sensor, whenever it detects heavy impact on the car, or like heavy or light impact, it immediately sends a message to the authorities or nearby hospitals or police stations to inform there is that an accident occurred, and it can save the life of the people in the car or the vehicle.
Okay.
So how is your Jiffy going to send a signal to the nearby hospital, and how is the barrier really going to work? Because like
The
sensors-
barrier, this is just in our model. In a bit more advanced version,
The barrier doesn't work on Bluetooth signals or Wi-Fi. Just works on electricity.
She's talking about the Jiffy.
the signals for the
Oh, the Jiffy that was got improvised. This is like a base model. So we'll improvise on
Like we are thinking to add a SIM card for that. Like when the crash happens, the SIM would.
What about the
signals.
But then the distance still needs to be set. So how will it work?
We'll try and improvise on